9-ster Onrusrivier, your little house by the sea. With beautiful scenery at its doorstep, this Overberg coastal town of Onrusrivier has lately become a preferred destination for 50-plussers. Here at 9-ster Onrusrivier, nestled between the mountain and the sea, is where you can settle down. 9-ster Onrusrivier consists of 2 secure lifestyle estates. With classic Cape architecture and design and old-fashioned porches, low boundary walls and landscaped gardens, you will immediately feel at home. The designs of these homes vary from modern farmhouses to typical Cape Malay homes and those that resemble Dorp Street facades in Stellenbosch. The full title homes have spacious living areas, high ceilings and large windows and are equipped with the best fittings and finishes. Homes vary in size from 144 to 205 square meters. There are 125 full title properties in 9-ster Onrusrivier and a modern well-equipped care centre with 50 sectional title units. At the care centre, you will find a cosy dining room, a lounge with a fireplace, ladies' bar, small library, hair salon and clinic. The community of 9-ster Onrusrivier is an active and diverse group that enjoys social gatherings and events. Home care, basic care, assisted care and frail care. All these services are provided to the residents by Medwell, the medical care service provider. 9-ster Onrusrivier is just around the corner from Hermanus, and it is here that the 2 secured lifestyle estates provide 50-plussers with a sanctuary to live in, where they are cared for and cherished. 9-ster Onrusrivier, your little house by the sea.